Welcome to Lamination Depot. Today we're reviewing how to use TruBind's manual coil binding machine, the TB-SD600MB. This machine is specific to spiral binding coils up to 36 inches in length, from 6mm up to 30mm in diameter with a 4:1 pitch. It can punch up to 25 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time and can electrically bind a stack of documents up to a ½ inch thick. A pro tip is to always use a test document before you begin your final project. Today we're punching a stack of 8.5 by 11 size documents with front and back binding covers, then binding them with an 8mm coil binding spine. Let's begin. Step 1. Set the depth margin control to the recommended setting for your coil diameter. Step 2. Insert a single test document into the machine and line it up against a sliding hole punch guide to hold your document as you line up where you want the holes to be punched. Be sure to disengage unused pins to avoid half-punched holes on the edge of your document. Then firmly hold your documents in place as you pull down the punching handle. Step 3. Partially thread your coil into the first few holes of the document. Then flip on the electric coil inserter located on the front of the machine. Use a light dabbing motion to guide your coil to the other side. Continue to flip your document and dab the inserter until the coil is centered on your document. Step 4. Using the Hand Cutter Crimping Tool included with your TruBind machine. Keep the red eye of the tool on the top side and simply insert the tool into the end and squeeze. Your project is now complete. Don't forget to empty the built-in waste bin from time to time, and always remember to unplug the machine for safety when not in use. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. Be sure to check out this machine and many other products at our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.